Hello, today we will guide you through how to share Claude AI conversations. To begin, open Claude and go to the New Chat page. Starting from this screen gives you a clean entry point and makes it easier to find the conversation you want to share. If you are already signed in, the page should load directly. If not, just complete your sign-in first, then return to the main chat area. Once you are on the Claude screen, look to the top left corner and click the sidebar icon. This will open the navigation panel where your chats and projects are listed. If the sidebar is already visible, that is perfectly fine. You can simply continue to the next part without needing to click again. After the sidebar is open, scroll down until you find the sample project. Take your time here and make sure you are selecting the correct conversation or project area you want to work with. This is important because the share link you create will reflect the content currently associated with that conversation. Before moving on, it is always a good idea to quickly review the chat and confirm there is nothing private or sensitive included that you would not want to share publicly. Next, move your attention to the top right area of the screen and click Share. This opens the sharing options for the conversation. The Share button is where Claude lets you generate a link that other people can use to view the content. So this is the main control point for making your conversation accessible. When the sharing menu appears, click Create Public Link. This tells Claude to generate a shareable version of the conversation. Keep in mind that a public link is designed to be viewed by anyone who has the link, so this is the moment to pause and double check that the content is appropriate to share. If everything looks good, go ahead and continue. Finally, click Copy Link. This copies the public URL to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need, such as in a message, email, document, or team chat. If you want to be safe, you can paste the link into a note first to confirm it copied correctly before sending it to others. And that's it. You have successfully created and copied a public link for a Claude AI conversation. With just a few clicks, you can make it much easier to share useful chats, examples, or project discussions with other people.